12-volt solutions, plug and play remote starter with Takeover. Once the vehicle is remote started, you give it about 3 seconds. So go ahead, hit unlock. Open the vehicle, don't touch the brake pedal. You can see your steering wheel is still locked, okay? So what you gotta do is you gotta get in the vehicle. Do not hit the start button. Make sure all your doors are closed. Once your doors are closed, you will simply press and hold the brake pedal down. Everything's gonna turn off and turn back on as of the lights. The engine stays running, but all the lights are gonna turn off, turn back on, and the steering wheel will unlock. Okay, so here we go. Pressing and holding brake pedal. Now, steering wheel's unlocked, and we are ready to just shift and drive. Vehicle still remains running. And to shut it off, just shut it off like normal. Hit the start button.